She's the daughter of filmmaker extraordinaire Steven Spielberg and actress Kate Capshaw, who pivoted from a career as an equestrian to becoming an actress and director.
Her new film, Please Don't Feed the Children, is a post-apocalyptic horror thriller that explores survival, manipulation, and the loss of innocence, and will premiere on Tubi on June 27th. Take a look.
It's a big house.
They could have supplies.
What do you want? I'm not supposed to take in children.
Please, you have to help us.
Come on.
I'll make some cookies. Isn't this fun? Terrible guests.
Hey, wake up. She drugged us.
Get undressed and clean yourselves. That's better. Smile.
I'm about to have a panic attack. Please welcome the incomparable Destry Allyn Spielberg to New York Living. Hello.
Hello.
If the intent was to have my throat by my Adam's apple that doesn't exist, well done.
Thank you. Thank you. It's my pleasure.
Oh my gosh.
That was just a snippet.
Yeah, that was just a
I'm
snippet. It is wonderful to meet you.
It's so nice to meet you. Thank you so much for having me.
Of course, with that big brain of yours. So you've directed short films before.
Yes.
This is your feature directorial debut. No big deal.
No big deal.
So we showed this wonderful picture of you as an equestrian, from equestrian to something nefarious on screen. Connect some dots for us.
Connect some dots. Yes, I was an equestrian. It was my life dream goal, my career, and then I had a career-ending injury and had a couple years of what am I going to do with my life? And at first I wanted to be an actress, and I went and studied acting at multiple schools, and then it's very hard to book anything.
You don't say,
Yeah,
right?
no,
Yeah, sure.
And so my friend and I made a short film, and we couldn't afford a director because it was,
More expensive.
yeah. And so I thought, well, I'll just do it. And it was wild. I stepped on set, and it honestly was one of the most spiritual experiences. It was like as if I knew exactly what I was doing, even though I had no idea what I was doing.
Just came naturally. to you.
Everything just came naturally, which,
Yeah. Well, I mean, it is.
I wonder why.
It is in your DNA.
Technically, yes.
Right.
Yeah, we can't have you on here, of course, and not talk about your parents, right? Steven Spielberg and Kate Capshaw. How is it to be defined by that Spielberg name?
That's a great question. I'm so lucky to have him as a father and to have my mom as my mother. And, growing up in that world was, of course, so amazing and cool. And I'm just really grateful that I was able to have the experiences that I did growing up. And I'm really grateful that he showed me this world.
Sure, I bet that both of them. Do they weigh in on your work or the work of your siblings? I mean, there's a lot of talent in that family.
Thank you. Weigh in. I mean, of course.
Yeah.
What we're proud of, we want to show our parents. I mean, like everybody wants to make their parents proud.
Yeah.
So, of course, they weigh in.
Yeah. Okay, let's go back to look at this picture. Oh my gosh, adorable. What was? Oh my gosh, I love all of this. Okay, the film stars Downton Abbey's Michelle Dockery. I literally have chills. Breaking Bad's Giancarlo Esposito.
Oh, the best.
What was it like casting that film? My gosh.
Oh my gosh. Well, listen, we were so lucky to get the both of them. I mean, I could not believe it. Michelle Dockery just really is an incredible person to collaborate with, and very humble, like the coolest person ever, and truly just kind of became like family. So in terms of casting her, she read the script, she really loved it, and we met over Zoom, and we just clicked and talked about her character and talked about sort of what she wanted to do with the character, and we had truly a really amazing time, and we bonded. Giancarlo is, of course, like a legend.
A legend.
So
for
that,
sure.
to me, I feel like I still don't really believe that was real, but yeah.
It's real. It's happening June 27th.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh,
Oh my God.
congratulations.
Thank you.
And thanks for spending time with us.
Thank you so much for having me.
Of course.
Our pleasure.